Welcome to Web3 Sales Gym. Let's talk business right now. I'm inviting you on your personal and professional journey of improving yourself in Web3 sales and business development. The truth is, if you're probably watching this, that you are a CEO, founder, business developer, salesperson, a marketer, growth person, you're somehow connected to the domain of growing the business, and also you're doing this in Web3. And you want to do this on better, faster, easier, with more results, and ideally if everything comes together and there is a magic pill that you can go and you can grab it and then everything goes perfect. Well, my channel is not that kind of pill, but it's very close to that pill. So there are two ways how we can help you. First one is you getting information via videos. Second one is getting information in the Telegram community. So videos, you can go out and check out all the playlists that I've ever created, how to go on Web3 events, how to prospect. If you're starting completely from zero, you can go through Web3 Sales Beginner to Master course and basically get a crash course on everything that you need to know. I can easily, charge money for those things, but I'm putting this on YouTube for free. The reason for that one is I want you guys to grow faster. I want you to know about me, and I want you to work with me in the future. There's going to be a lot of different opportunities, I guarantee to you. So that's number one. You can go to the YouTube channel. Second one, I'm also doing a private Telegram community only for Web3 sellers, for people that are looking and interested in topics of Web3, how to sell more things, how to be more productive, how to be more effective, people who want to network, connect together on networking calls, and basically have more business and have more opportunities right now. If you're interested in that one, you can apply. The link is literally under every video. You can go, you can fill out this very simple form, and I'm going to get in touch with you, add you to the community, and you will start getting the value. Or if you're interested, you can just click the link above, and there's also the tally link to complete the form there. That being said, that part of the deal is very simple. You go, you grow, you do more business, you make more money. What I expect from you, subscription and a couple of likes. That's basically it. That's what I need from you, and let's keep in touch. Let's hope for the future that our partnership works well, and it was very nice to look forward with you. My name is Nikolai again. This is Web3 Sales Gym. We're on a great journey to make Web3 sales bigger, faster, better, easier, and more enjoyable for everybody. See you.